So hello, namaskar, very good evening guys. Welcome to the new webinar of Olymp Trade. Unfortunately, Mr. Akash is not there, so I am your friend and analyst Hemant Modi. So we met previously on Wednesday and again I am here for you guys. Welcome to the new webinar of Olymp Trade Broker. We are providing the webinars time to time to you, and this webinar is helping you to get some kind of betterment and some positive things for your trading. We have channels like Olymp Trade Global, which is we are having now, as well as we are having Olymp Trade India. So those who wanted to take the consultation in Hindi, they can go with the Olymp Trade India channel, and those who wanted to take the consultation, webinar in English, they are coming to the here in Olymp Trade Global. So today we are going to discuss about some strategy. Previously, as I remember that Wednesday we are also discussing about one strategy, and the strategy is basically, what are the strategies? Strategy is basically some kind of computerized tool which is providing you some signal for trading. So different way and different strategy we have according to your status. How to do? All right, so check this one, guys. Let me inform you. First of all, please remember the trading is very risky. Please do not copy. Like I'm opening some trades with you without fearing that maybe I will get loss or profitability, but I will open some trades. But do not copy, because this is the consultation which is live streaming, and you will have some delay, some of seconds. So when I open, maybe, so don't copy, just understand what I'm saying and then according to open the trade. Give me a second, please. Just let me take a sip of water. So thank you so much, and sorry to be on your hold. So we have different type of strategies. From where we get the strategy, guys? If you are using the mobile application, so remember one thing, this is the asset area. Whenever you see in your mobile application, there is the assets. Near to the assets, this symbol you can find. This is called technical analysis. Okay. And if you are using computer application, laptop, then this is over here. Once we click to this kind of list, we are getting indicator, oscillator, drawing tool, strategy and advisor. However, if you are choosing the mobile application, then this list, which is right now in the vertical way, you will see this list in the horizontal way, like indicator, then B, oscillator, then C, drawing or strategy, like that. So you need to go to the strategy section. Once you click to the strategy, what you will get? You will get some strategies. Like if I'm showing you, there is a strategy which is blue batch, that is called starter status strategy. If you are in a starter status holder, then you will have this only. If you are an advanced status holder, then this 7 strategy with the green batch also you will get. And if you become the expert status holder, then you will have a chance to get 8 more strategy, because expert is our most prestigious status. So 23 strategy you will get. We are going to discuss about one strategy, which is only strategy here, which is working on the short term time frame. Usually we have other strategy, but the time frame is different. We always suggesting to choose the graph time, whatever the graph time you choose, but the time frame of duration of the trading is going to be at least minimum 2 to 3 times higher than your graph time. But this is the only strategy, barcode, where we can use the same graph time and same trading time. So barcode, once you click to the barcode, there is a video over here. You can check. If you are finding something like you confuse or something, you just check. This is a very small video which is not having length of 2.5 minutes. There is a components, and you need to enable the strategy. Once you enable the strategy is going to set on your account. Now what to do? The important thing is what to do now. When I just put the strategy on my account, as you see, I having some kind of signals. There is something which is just going to connect on my account. How to know, how to work with that? If you are an starter status holder, then you didn't have an option to choose this strategy, but don't be worried. I'll teach you how to make it. So I'm just removing from here. Again, we need to go to the technical analysis section. remember one thing, strategy is the part of the indicators and oscillator, but when we choose directly from the indicator and oscillator, there is a different thing. Like what? I'm clicking over here. This is the oscillator which is we are using for barcode called demarker. But when I click to the demarker, you see there is a difference. What is the difference over here? The parameter of demarker is here 14. We need to change it from 14 to 1. All right. Then we need to change the design. So we have demarker in the area chart and we need to use it like histogram. Okay. Same. Perfect. We are having this now. What is this strategy about? How this strategy working? How to open the trade? We are definitely going to discuss about it. So check this thing. Graph time 1 minute, trading time also 1 minute. So we need to focus about the demarker. So demarker is the strategy. This is a counter trend system. Counter trend system which is providing us a maybe reversal of the trend, or when we see there is a certain situation, when we see kind of reversal or the trend situation, then we can open the trade according to the conditions. Why? We believe the price of the currencies or any asset actually they are constantly changing during the day. So I am just checking now. If I am getting signal, then I will definitely open the trade, and I am eagerly waiting for that. Yeah, I am getting the signal and I open the trade. Till that time we will discuss something. However, remember one thing, the strategy is not the guarantee of the success, and whenever you open the trade, previously you always need to follow the graph. Like what? I open the trade, because we mostly having this kind of complaint, like whenever I open the trade and I see that my trade is going to opposite direction right after my opening the trade. Why? If you can check right now, where is my cursor, and this one candle stopping the trend, second candle stopping the trend, third candle stopping the trend, fourth candle, fifth candle, until here. That is called price actions and levels. Whenever you see the candle are stopping the way of the trend more than 2 times, then better to stop. Especially, that's why I'm always said strategy is not the guarantee of the success. However, I open the trade. What is the result of mine? Positive. Again, I'm getting one signal. Again, I will open the trade. But why I'm doing this? One by one, you need to open the trade. Don't go further like 1, 2, 3, 4 trades once in a time. No, don't do this. One signal, one trade you open, doesn't matter, positive, negative. Let's close it. Then if you see the signal, open the trade. So let's discuss about the demarker. So as I mentioned you before, the price of currency pair or any asset is constantly changing during the day. As a rule, basically, the sharp impulse are observed. So using the demarker indicator, which is we are seeing over here with the lines of green lines, when we are using this indicator, we will be able to identify these impulses and open a position according to the signal. Remember, again I am repeating this phrase, strategy is not the guarantee of the success. So demarker oscillator is a technical analysis tool named after its creator, Mr. Thomas DeMark. This algorithm is basically referred to the same as an oscillator. Therefore, it can be used considering to the properties enhance such indicators. We have checked this one. So what was the result? Okay, negative. We have this level, mid level, which is 0.500, above level, which is we can say 0.700, and third one which we are having 0.300. Time to time we are getting signal either above the middle way horizontal line of 0.500, or either we are getting the signal on the downside which is below 0.500. So the demarker indicator basically providing you some kind of trending, like when the trend is going to continue the upper situation and when we see the trend is going to be changed. However, whenever you open the trade, please remember, you need to open the trade right after the signal. Right after the signal. I am always using one theory. If you will have a chance to get 2 unsuccessful trade in a one asset, change it. If you are opening the trade while using the martingale system, and if you get 2-3 trade unsuccessful by one strategy, change it, because remember, this is the most risky strategy also, because this is the only strategy which is we are using by the same, like graph time is same, and the trading time is same. So many of you using the short term time frame, you can open the trade by using the short term time frame as well. Like I'm putting the graph time 15 minute, you can also use the graph time, 15 second. I'm so sorry for that. Again, I'm getting the graph time 15 second. But remember one thing, as a small graph time you choose, there is a problem that you should enter the trade. The entry point should be solid, because if I choose the graph time or 1 minute, when we need to open the trade, just I'll show you. Do not open the trade whenever you find there is no signal. Now the candle is already in the 30s. If we choose the graph time of 1 minute, that means the expression time of the candle is 60 seconds. I believe and I suggest, if you will get the signal in first 20 seconds, remember, if you will get the signal in first 20 seconds, that will be a better time to open a trade. If the candle is already enters in the 30s, like 39, 38, and when you see the signal is coming, try to not open the trade, because as late you are going to enter in the trade, that will be risky for you. If you are not getting the signal, so one signal is only this. If you are getting the signal which is below the line, and that is complete signal, if you find like yes, I'm getting the full candle which is going below, open the trade. However, remember one thing, this is the time right now when we are doing trading. If you can check, in next 17 minutes, there is a data which is PPI, purchase price index of US, monthly data will become. So mostly what happened, market is become volatile at this time. So try to avoid trading once you see the candles are very small or very big, but the design of the candle, the price action of the candle is be like dodgy, uncertain. What is the uncertain candlesticks? Uncertain candlestick means once we see the one candle green, one candle red, doesn't matter it's complete full or short or dodgy types, doesn't matter. But once we see this kind of candle, do not open the trade. If you wanted to open the trade for upper trend, right now I'm just ready to open the trade, but 10 seconds passed, we are not getting any signal. So we are waiting. However, if you can check previous 2-3 candles, one candle red, then one candle green, then one candle red, then one candle green, then one candle red. So that is called the trend of uncertainty. It's better to change the asset. So if you wanted to open the trade by using a small time frame, no worries. Take the duration like 15 seconds. Graph time is also 15 seconds. Trading time is also 15 seconds. All right. Now we need to wait for the signal. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Half time passed. Better to not open the trade. But as per the signal, if I can open, what happened? Let's see. Guys, don't worry. I'm using the risk-free trades. Check this one. Half time passed, I opened the trade, and what happened now? Next candle start and we are getting the another signal which is totally different. That's why I always told, once you see the signal in the starting of the trade, that will be a fine to open the trade. If you will see the candles is in the middle and you get the signal, do not open the trade. Also, we see the trend is uncertain because of the timing, because nearby time the US market is going to be open and we are getting this kind of volatility, and also we are having this important data. Guys, also let me inform you, if you have any questions, any feedback, anything, I would like you to please send your questions in the chat box. So again, how to open the trade? Once we see the signal is below the 0.500 level to 0.300, we should open the downtrend. And once we see the signal is going up, like from 0.500 to 0.700, we can open the upper trend. So I recover my losses. I'm having some profitable trade also. But once we are not getting the signal, if we are not getting any signals, or we are getting some small kind of, sorry, if we are getting the small signals, please don't open the trade. One more thing, if you are choosing a graph or any asset, and if you are getting the profitable trades on the same, please continue. Do not change it. Please continue with that. Don't change it. Right? This is the basics. So, any questions? Please let me know. Some of the important things I would like to share with you. A period of high market activity means better signal. Whenever, what is the high market activity? There is two things. Once we see the candle start and we are getting the signal, that is also called the high market activity. Or when we see the trend in the market, what is the trend? Guys, there is a three type of trend, actually four. There is a one trend, which is we can see here. The candles are coming from up to down. This is completely, I can say, that is a downtrend. Then we see the trend is going up, that is a upper trend. But in the somehow the in between the support and resistance level, we can see the sideways trend. When we see the chart is not going too much up, too much down, working in between the support and resistance, but there is a sideways trend we are getting, and this is can also be helpful. But in this sideways trend, we are getting this kind of trend also. If you remember, I told you before, one candle green, one candle red, one candle green, one candle red. This is the highly risky condition. If you see, most of us, we are having a loss or unsuccessful trade in the same kind of candles. Better to not open the trade and change the asset. It's better to change the asset. Do not bounded yourself or stuck yourself on single asset, because if we are not getting the signal, we are just opening the trade in the one asset continuously because we believe that I'm very much comfortable with that. But if you are comfortable, then why you are getting losses? I'm sorry. If you are getting the signal, then why you are having an unsuccessful trade? That means comfortability only means when we are having profit. If we are having a profit with that any strategy, any asset, then I can say we are comfortable. If we are having losses with that, there is no comfortability. Change it, please. So avoid trade during the market news. What are the market news? These are the market news. So there is an economic calendar. You can go to the investing.com easily. Here is the investing.com. Go to the investing.com. Wait a second. Yeah. And here, this is the simple website of the investing.com. Once you open the investing.com, there is an economic calendar. If you click to the economic calendar, this is showing you like that. Wait a second. So it's showing you like that. You need to change the time zone from here according to your country. Then go to the filter and click out from the one, remove the 1 star, remove the 2 star, and just stay with the 3 star category. What is the meaning of 3 star? Once you click to the 3 star, that means you will have the chance to get the news information which is highly impactful. Means this news can be influence the market. So always remember to not open the trade whenever you see any news coming in the market, because in that time the market is going to be highly volatile, and maybe you will understand my point. All right, now third thing is timing. By using this strategy, we can usually open the trade anytime, 24 hours. But there is a situation which we can say that most active time frame. The most active time frame is morning 10 a.m. to evening 8 p.m. GMT plus 3. Like if you are an Indian trader, then the timing should be 12:30 to 10:30. Morning, afternoon 12:30 to evening 10:30. If you are from Pakistan, then it's 12 from 10. That's it. However, you can open the trade anytime. There is no foundation for you. Okay, and yeah. how to choose the asset? Guys, don't be too much choosy with the high market time, high profitability. You need to go to the any profitability, click to the 80% and choose the asset from 80 to 93 whenever we are getting a trend and whenever we are getting a signals with the strategy. So choose the asset with minimum 80% profitability. And one more thing, use the martingale system or a loss compensation system for recover your losses. However, most of people are not actually properly working with the martingale because they can't stop their self and they actually getting a high negative PNL. But basic concept of the PNL is like, if you wanted to do, let me show you some of my trades. These are my trade, you can check. I open the trade with lower amount of $50. Like, let me directly tell you, let's suppose that you are depositing $1,000 in your account. So always open the trade with minimum 1% of your balance. Suppose you have that $1,000 in your account, then open the trade with the 10% of the balance, that is going to be $10. Start trading with the $10. If you are getting the profitability, then continue with $10. Do not change it. Please don't change it your way. However, if you are getting the unsuccessful trade of the $10, then make your next trade with the double amount, $20. Open the trade with the $20. If your $20 trade is going to be positive, then what happened? Then you will have a chance to recover your $10 as well as you will have a chance to just like that. Suppose this is a loss of $10 because I am using the risk-free trade. This is the loss of the $10. I open the trade with the $20. So I recover the $10 plus I'm getting a profitability of $7 as well. So in that situation, if you are getting a profitable trade of next trade, which is $20 trade, then again go back to the $10. If you are having a unsuccessful trade of the two trades unsuccessful, then open the trade with the $40, which is double of the second trade. But before that, change the asset, change the time frame. If you are able, then change the strategy also. Open the next trade with the $40. If $40 trade is going to be positive, then you will have a chance to recover all those trades which is going to be unsuccessful and start again the trading with the $10. If that trade is also going negative, then you need to open the last trade. Why I'm saying this, I'll come to this. If you open the trade with the $10, if you're having a loss of 10, 20, 40, then you need to open the trade, last trade with the minimum $80 to $100. Why 80 to 100? It depends on the profitability. If you choose the profitability of 90%, 93%, then you can choose with the 80. If you choose the profitability of 80% of asset, then you can go with the $100. But if you calculate, we started the trade from the 1% and maximum we go to the 10%. Usually what happens whenever we are having the unsuccessful trade, we just become, hyper or frustrated and we just unnecessary taking more risk and putting the more and more amount, and stop that thing, please. After, what you need to do, you have 4 trades. There is a 2 chance. Either you have 4 successful trade, 4 trades become successful, or either you have 4 trade is also negative. So if you get the 4th trade which is positive, then you will have a chance to recover. Your all amount is recovered of the last 3 unsuccessful trades. Then take a small break, come back after some time and open the trade again with the $10. Right? And if the 4th trade is also going to be negative, that is also possible, because there is a 2 reason behind of this. After 4 unsuccessful trade, either you are doing the same mistakes constantly, or guys, every time you are not only doing mistake here, the market is maybe also bad or volatile. In that case also take a small break, because after every 4, this is a general average I'm saying, after every 4 successful or unsuccessful trade, we feel our emotions is going to be high in our mind, and in that situation what happened, we can't control ourselves. If we can't control ourselves, then what happened, we are taking more and more risk. Don't do this. So try to make this a habit. After 4, 5 successful trade, take a small break, or after 4 unsuccessful trade, also take a small break. So this is the basic theory. Let's go to the some question and answers. Yes, I'm Sam. Nice. Atharv, hello. Babu Gill, hi Ji. Hassan Mohammed, hello, hello. Augusta Demri, hi, good evening. Hi Style, hi from Brazil. Sir, hello, hello, namaskar. Vikram Desai, hello. Harshvardhan, hello sir. Ganesh Jat, crash 300 index forex. I would, if you will provide me the proper question, like you wanted to open the trade in the crash index or what. See, in forex, the crash index is a highly volatile asset. Remember, the crash index is highly volatile asset. So basically, the crash index is working in the different parameter. You shouldn't open the trade in the crash index with downtrend situation. So you can go further with the levels. Usually you can see here it's coming back from the levels. From here you can check 1 and the same is here, and in middle 1 2 3 4, this one is 5 6 7 8. So this is the situation. But when to open the trade? When to open the trade? If you can check the levels is already not touched, then maybe there is a chance that it can be meet to the downside level or this level. But we need to open the trade only with this. After the red candle, there is a next candle which is a start when you can open the trade. But do not go further with the high amount. Okay, let me give you an example with that. If I open the trade with the $1, let's suppose I open the trade here, go here in the crash index and put a take profit of 25%. You can put directly the take profit of 20 to 25 to 30%. Don't go, please, my request to don't go higher than this, because this index is actually, now before we had the multiplier of 200, now we have the 400 multiplier. So this is going to be high volatile. So don't go for too much high profitability. Just use that small trade of 25% to 30%, 25% to 30%, and take just open the trade like that, and definitely you will have a chance. Now you see, this is the basically level. So maybe this is going to be cross, or maybe it can be written from here. But I just put the level actually below that area. So you can open the trade. All right, sir. Perfect. So Tushar Sen official, hello sir, very good evening. Ajruddin, how to deposit promo code? Unfortunately, the promo code option is not available for now. However, if you check the promo code, that can be only available for deposit. But I'm sorry, I'm not the right guy to provide you the answer of this question. Kindly mail or call or chat to the support department. They will definitely going to inform you about this. Right? Thank you. Okay. Inform. Hi, I have a subscribed to the barcode and nothing happened as technically expected. I think you need to watch this webinar from starting. I'm sorry to hear this. Basically what happened, whenever we are going to open the trade, we expecting too much. Don't too much expect. Ganesh ji, now you can see I got the 25% profitability. So you need to go with the small amount. But do not open the trade till this candle is not going to be finished, because maybe there is a chance that of reversal from here. All right. Let's go back to our just a second. Okay, so I have subscribed the barcode. There is no need to subscribe. The barcode strategy is already available, I think, in your account. If you not able to see, then you just manually you can set. You need to go to the technical analysis, then you need to click to the demarker, change the graph, change the parameter of demarker from 14 to 1 and change the parameter. That's it. Because maybe I didn't know that you change the parameter or you choose how you just doing. And remember, there is a theory in our mind actually. What happened? whenever we put any strategy, what we think actually that we put the strategy and there is a rocket science, then after the one strategy I'm getting the 100% profitability. Unfortunately, this has not happened, sir. If you are putting any strategy, to understand that strategy, at least you need to open 50 to 100 trade, which is you can open in combinedly with the demo and live account. But why I'm saying demo and live, not only demo, because whenever we are opening the trades in demo, we are not feeling any kind of emotions. But when we are opening the trade in the live account, if we lose, then we feel something. If we get, we are feeling something. But demo is not the real account. You can practice with demo and live and open the trade with the minimum amount. Open the trade with the minimum amount, and after opening the 50, 100 trade, then you will understand that how the base of the strategy, how the strategy is working properly. Okay, Harish, sir, please tell me about forex. Sir, I would love to give you the proper details of forex, but I would like to know the question, what you wanted to know about the forex. नितेश सर, मेरा डिपॉजिट अकाउंट में नहीं आया, मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगा आपके इस असुविधा के लिए। आपसे निवेदन है, कृपया करके हमारे कस्टमर केयर एग्जीक्यूटिव या सपोर्ट टीम से संपर्क करें, उन्हें मेल डालें। जो भी आपने जिस मेथड से आपने डिपॉजिट किया है, यूपीआई, बैंक कार्ड, जो भी सिस्टम से आपने डिपॉजिट किया है, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट उन्हें भेज दीजिएगा। और जो एक मेल आप भेजते हैं उसी के ट्रेल में चलिएगा, रिप्लाई में। हर बार नया मेल भेजेंगे तो हर बार आपको नया रिप्लाई मिलेगा। आई मीन नया तरीके से वो आपको एक फ्रेश ट्रेडर आपको वो डील करेंगे। प्लीज़ डोंट गो लाइक दिस। सो दिस इज़ द वे। नाउ अगर आप लोगों के पास कुछ और क्वेश्चंस हैं तो हम आगे बात कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज हम इस सेशन को यहाँ पर ख़त्म कर सकते हैं। दोस्तों अगर आप आई एम सो सॉरी इफ यू हैव एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस प्लीज लेट मी नो, वी विल डिस्कस। So previously we are discussing about the triple rebound, how to go with the triple rebound. Go here and triple rebound. Okay, the news is coming, I guess. Yep. So PPI is down now. And one more thing I would like to tell you guys, the earning calendar is a stats. If you wanted to open the trade in forex, in the stocks, after every 3 months, every company provides their profitability quarterly, like they are in profit, they are in loss, what happened. So you can do trading accordingly. Like now we are having a data today in JP Morgan. So this quarter situation, how to check? So that this is means sun means before market open. The market capital of JP Morgan is 498.48 billion. Revenue forecast was 39.17, which was forecasted, and the revenue is going higher than forecast. The expectation is higher than our the result is higher than our expectation, that is 39.9 billion. And earning per share, the expectation was 3.949 and the result is 3.97. How to check the JP Morgan is properly now working or not working? So you can open any website like Yahoo, investing.com or any, just check the pre-market opening situation, JP Morgan Chase, and see is the asset, the price of asset is going up or down. So 170.30, it's now 0. It's actually in the mid, but pre-market session is showing the price of asset. Actually this is the closing price of yesterday, but here what we saw, the 3% is already hike, almost 2.5% hike in this asset. $4 is above. So what we can do, either we can do the trading like this. You can choose the JP Morgan Chase, sorry, forex, JP Morgan Chase, nahi aa raha, aa gaya. Right now the market is closed, but you can open the trade by the using the enable orders. There is no need to open the trade by the price, however you can open by the time. So the American market is going to be open as per Indian Standard Time, 8 hours 6 minutes. So you can create your own deal, and if you feel that it's going up, then you can trade accordingly. All right guys, anything else would you like to know? Please let me know, otherwise it's time to say bye bye. Kenny Lakshman, Kenny sir, आप दूसरे और गलत प्लेटफॉर्म गलत चैनल पर ये सवाल उठा रहे हैं। आई मीन सवाल आपका ठीक है, बट ये चैनल जो है ये इंग्लिश चैनल है। यहाँ पर मोस्टली जो हमारे कंसल्टेशंस होते हैं वो इंग्लिश में होते हैं। तो हिंदी वाला चैनल जो है उसमें आप हिंदी के वेबिनार सुन सकते हैं। बाय द वे, लेट मी इन्फॉर्म यू, सेबी, you are, let me correct you, that is not sebi actually. Why peoples are scaring? Because RBI just said that this kind of things which is a little bit risky, they are not saying that this is illegal. First of all, what is the difference in between Indian trading market, forex, and here? On our forex, we are not providing the trading only with the currency pair. We are having the forex which is ETF, stocks, commodities. You can check it from here, all markets: commodities, composites, crypto, currencies, ETF, indexes, metals, stocks. One more thing, the mathematics of forex which is working in Indian market and Olymp Trade forex is completely different. Completely different. There is no lot system, there is no carry forward system, there is no 100% out of pocket system if you are going to open the trade in forex as well or any currencies. So company is continuously successfully working from 9 years. There is no worry. If you feel that yes, some problem, then you can just start trading in the Indian currency. I mean, you can make deposit by the Indian currency and do not open the trade in currency if you are feeling scared, because every time we are getting this kind of situation. But no need to worry. I'm here also. I'm a trader first and I'm working here from last more than 5-6 years. And now I'm providing the webinars also. So don't worry. Hi sir, what happened when I take trade after a full barcode signal, but immediately the bar is pulled up outing towards the other direction and sometimes full? Yeah. Basically, whenever we are getting, now I open the trade, the same happened. But if you need to understand the level first. If I open the trade in the market which is actually the dicey market first of all, or volatile market, second thing. Third thing is, okay, right now as you can check this trade of mine, what is happening over here, check this candle, and before this is the one condition when the candle is stopping of the trend, here also, here also, here also, here also, everywhere we are getting that this is the level when we see the market is actually dicey and the trend is stopping. And now I told, this is now the data is coming and market is a little bit volatile on this time. So try to avoid trading. Once you see your 1 or 2 trade is going to be negative in one asset, either change the asset, go with the trend according to the signal and open the trade as started. In the starting way, if you are getting the signal with the strategy, then open the trade. Otherwise, avoid trading for some time. You can take some break. No need to take your trading over your head. Right? Ganesh Jat, Forex, one trade on Crash Index. Ganesh ji, I already opened the trade. I think you didn't check. I'm sorry for that inconvenience. All right, guys. Where are you from? I'm sorry, sir. I would love to provide you the information, but unfortunately, I'm also in the contract of the company. We are working in the different locations around the world. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much, guys. Happy weekend. Best of luck for your trading. We will meet on next Wednesday, same day, same time. I mean Wednesday, same time. Till then, enjoy your trading. Best of luck and enjoy the weekend. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please take care. Bye bye. Namaskar.